Hey gearheads, welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best car wash soap that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Adams Polish's Car Wash Shampoo. Adams Polish's Car Wash Shampoo Gallon is a liquid cleaning solution created for automotive use on exterior surfaces. It has a wild berry fragrance and is designed for those who regularly maintain their vehicles. This cleaning liquid is suitable for use with a pressure washer, snow foam cannon, foam gun, or a 5-gallon bucket. It produces a thick layer of foam that helps cover the paint with lubrication to remove dirt and grime gently. This product helps users clean their vehicles while being mindful of the surface finish. It can be used on materials such as rubber, vinyl, plastic, and glass without causing dryness or damage. The formula is balanced to support routine washing and protect surfaces that already have wax, sealant, or ceramic coating. The foam works well under sunlight, making it convenient for those who wash their vehicles outdoors. While cleaning wheels and tires is possible with this shampoo, it is recommended to use a separate cleaner for brake dust and tire grease. The shampoo lifts away contaminants without affecting previously applied surface protection. Its slick feel allows safe removal of debris and reduces the risk of scratches or swirls. This gallon-sized shampoo fits well into a car care routine and blends easily in water. The shampoo keeps the foam rich and thick throughout the wash, adding a smooth touch during the rinse process. Made in the United States of America, the product is part of a wider collection of car detailing items that include waxes, sealants, brushes, sponges, and microfiber towels. Adams Polishes aims to offer reliable vehicle care products with attention to quality and performance. In our list, the number 2 product name is 3D Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap. 3D Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap 1 gallon is a concentrated liquid used for cleaning vehicles while maintaining their glossy appearance. This product is developed for people who enjoy keeping their car clean and looking polished throughout the week. It combines a cleaning formula with wax elements, allowing users to wash and enhance surface shine at the same time. Its design helps remove dirt while preserving any existing layer of wax, sealant, or ceramic coating. This makes it useful for regular washes in between full detailing sessions. The solution produces thick foam that lifts debris and reduces contact with the surface, helping prevent unwanted swirl marks. It rinses off smoothly and does not leave streaks or marks behind. The balanced chemical composition makes it gentle on the surface, keeping the finish intact and ready for drying with a clean towel. It works well on clear coated paint and is compatible with various exterior materials, including coated surfaces. Even though it has no scent, it provides an efficient cleaning experience. Car owners who value routine care and shine will find this gallon-size bottle practical for multiple washes. It suits those who prepare their vehicle for weekend drives, car meets, or personal satisfaction. The liquid formula blends well with water and creates a smooth surface feel after rinsing. Made in the United States of America, this product is part of a range designed by specialists with long experience in automotive care. The formulation focuses on achieving professional results for those passionate about vehicle maintenance. This car wash soap is intended for people who want to clean their vehicle while keeping the exterior glossy and protected. In our list, the number 3 product name is Chemical Guy's Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guy's Extreme Body Wash and Wax Foaming Car Wash Soap half gallon is a liquid vehicle cleaner designed for different types of washing methods. This product suits people who want to clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, recreational vehicles, and other vehicles using either a wash bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon. It produces thick suds that help lift and remove dust and grime from the surface. This cleaning soap is known for making vehicles look freshly cleaned with every use. It adds a glossy finish while keeping the surface smooth to the touch. The solution creates high foaming action, which helps reduce contact between surface and sponge, lowering the risk of creating scratches or marks. Those who use this soap often enjoy its grape scent, making the wash session more pleasant. It works on painted surfaces, clear coatings, metal parts, glass panels, and plastic trims without causing damage. The soap is balanced to maintain the current wax or ceramic layer without affecting its shine or protection. Beginners and experienced vehicle owners can use this product with ease. It is designed to give professional results even if used at home. The concentrated formula means only a small amount is needed per session, making it suitable for repeated use. This liquid wash soap is manufactured in the United States of America by a company known for car care products. The consistency and foam support users looking for a reliable washing solution. It is created for those who want their vehicles to have a clean appearance and a glossy finish while using safe and easy methods. Whether preparing for a weekend drive or maintaining a clean look during the week, this solution helps make the task simple and effective. In our list, the number 4 product name is Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax Kit. Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax Kit is designed to help maintain the shine and cleanliness of your vehicle from top to bottom. This 8-piece set includes several cleaning products to use on both the interior and exterior areas of your automobile. From foam wash soap to interior sprays, every item works toward preserving the original look of the vehicle. The included Gold Class Car Wash liquid helps remove dust, dirt, and road buildup while producing a bright and glossy surface. Used together with the one-step wax formula, the car's paint gains a polished appearance that reflects light and resists daily wear. Quick detailing spray works well between washes, targeting contaminants and light dirt that settle on the paint surface. This prevents damage caused by extended exposure to harmful particles and supports the finish for a longer period. Inside the car, the interior cleaning spray can be applied to seats, dashboards, and panels. Whether the material is plastic or leather, the formula helps to lift away grime and leaves a fresh, clean look without causing harm or discoloration. For wheels and tires, the foaming solution breaks down brake dust and road tar that often accumulate during regular driving. After use, the tires look darker and cleaner, offering a visual boost that complements the vehicle's overall condition. In our list, the number 5 product name is Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash. Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash Shampoo is designed to help car owners keep their vehicle looking clean without removing protective wax. The formula is gentle on paint and maintains a smooth surface by lifting away dust, road film, and residue. Each wash supports a glossy shine while preserving any existing wax layer. This product helps in removing particles before they can damage the surface or bond too strongly. The balanced pH formula makes it safe for regular use, even on recently waxed finishes. It works effectively by creating foam that surrounds unwanted buildup, making it easy to rinse off without extra scrubbing. Even after multiple washes, the vehicle remains glossy and well protected. It helps clean the exterior without creating streaks or leaving behind dull patches. This shampoo works well with soft cloths, mitts, or sponges, making it flexible for different washing setups. The sudsing effect is long-lasting and ensures that cleaning takes place gently. Whether used during weekly maintenance or after long drives, the shampoo makes car washing feel effortless and helps maintain the look of a freshly polished surface. This cleaner is ideal for anyone who wants to keep their car in top condition without visiting a service center often. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.